Hello everyone, I'm Mr. Lopez, and today we're gonna learn 4 simple ways to do text and image association in logos. Our first type of association is additive association. This is when you have your text and your images merge together to create a new form, a new silhouette that includes part of both the letters and your theme. Our second type is subtraction. This is when you take either the image or the letter and you cut out that section into the other one. So you can cut the letter into the image or the image into the letter. Our third type is interaction. There's different types of interaction. You can overlap shapes, you can intertwine shapes, but in this case you actually see both your image and your letter at the same time. And finally, we have exclusion. This is where you replace either your image or a letter with the other one. So in this case, I'm replacing the letter O with an image. And that's it. This is just 4 simple ways to make interactions between letters and text, and it's the basis to create any logos. And that's it. I'm Mr. Lopez. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye.